right here. I got birds in my damn chimney. You hear them? I love them. They're my guys. The little babies. They so loud.
They in the chimney.
Babe, I'm gonna take the elevator down here. I let Migo, my stylist, the stylist of the star. Come on, babe, let's go, let's go, let's go.
What is this? Get off of me.
Babe, come on now. Right. See this is what's going on. Babe got the zucchini, the fish. It's going down in here.
While I'm cooking, you just in here dancing?
Yeah, every time you cook, you make me dance. When you cook, you just make me dance. Hey, babe, you too fresh. How you cooking with fresh shoes on now, child?
Cause you fresh.
All right, all right. I'm finna get my engineer on my Snapchat. He don't motherfucking know what's going on. Yeah, this is champagne, the glue that makes everything happy. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Real money. Real money. Real money. Babe, we just got a box in. We just got a box of new stuff, babe. We just delivered shit to the house. Hey. Kind of little shit going on after that. Yeah. Yeah. What is this? What is it? What's going on?
Oh, that's your belt.
Scoochie! Motherfucker, yeah.
Let me see it.
Very nice, huh? Oh shit, this is baby.
Oh, thank you, Papa.
Hey, your nigga must love you, though.
He sure do.
Don't copycat this shit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on the Snapchat. I know y'all niggas gonna copycat these motherfuckers right here. These motherfuckers no racist. We're gonna do the black ones too. Black and white. Y'all never love over here. Yeah, Jack. It's going down. Here. What do we have in here? Oh shit. The Gucci motherfucking construction boot. Motherfucking construction. Squash, broccoli, corn, and tilapia. And baby, feed me like a king. Yeah, this is kale right here. I'm trying to be healthy. Everybody is sad and confused, but I'm healthy and happy.
Tell him, baby.
Focused.